Well, hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I am doing a challenge this week with Think Media. I went into their 1K challenge. It's a free session, and oh my goodness, you ever learn a lot, and their motivational speakers just get you going, I'll tell you. So I want to thank Think Media for the last week. It's been so much. My head is just going and going because there's so much to think about and so much to do. But at least a person knows where to start, at least. So they challenged us to make a video with no editing or anything like that. And I had kept saying I was going to do magnetic lashes. So I am going to do a set of magnetic lashes and show you how to apply them. So the magnetic lashes I'm using tonight, and it is 6:30 p.m. because it's taken me this long to get up the nerve to do this video, because you all know I have essential tremors and it's really hard some days. So anyways, there's no really brand name unless it's this name up here, Bond Low. It could be. I will look it up before and I'll put it in the description. It says if it is. And there are complete instructions on the back of this with all the ingredients that are in the liner in here as well. So there you go. And it comes with 2 tubes of the liner, a set of tweezers, and 5 sets of lashes. But with me, because I'm a little bit older and I don't usually wear really dark liners, I have cut the lashes. So I've got, I think, 4 magnets on the one side and 2 on the other side. Like, that's what I've cut them down to. So we're just going to, oh, maybe not. Maybe I got one that's a little bit longer by the look of it. We'll see when we get it on there. Okay, well, I'm going to put the liner on. What you do is you put the liner on. It's a liquid liner. And you put it on and you let it dry for about 30 to 60 seconds. Don't let it dry completely. And then you apply the lashes to the liner. Okay, and I do this first. I put all the rest of my makeup on after, mainly because I have essential tremors, and when I get shaking, sometimes the liners don't go on so good. So then I have to wash everything off and start again. So I feel if I start on the liner first, it should work. And I do have the eyelid tapes on. You can see it on this eye. It's this one. For some reason, I just can't get this one to lay down properly. But they are holding my eyelids open. Like, they are working. You can see eyelids. Like, it's like learning how to do your eye makeup all over again because the eyeshadow shows on the lids. Okay, so I'm going to go in and put the liner on. And this particular brand, it doesn't say that you have to put more than 1 coat on. So what I do is I put my knee up, put my elbow on my knee, and then I take my other hand and hold my head. And then I proceed to put the liner on. And you don't have to do it all in one stroke. You could do it in shorter strokes. But let that dry. Don't open your eye right wide, especially if you got hooded eyes, because then that liner will be up on your eyebrow. So you don't want it up there. So let's just put this on. It's not too bad of a job tonight, actually. Just let those dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to just put the partial ones on. I put too much liner on. I could have went like with a cat eye or something I could have made. But see, on this eye over here, I opened it too soon and the liner is up on the lid. So yeah, you got to be careful. Let it dry for a few minutes. I just get my little fan out and it dries it pretty good. Look at this beautiful thing. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Especially for in here when I'm doing my makeup. It's really nice. Gets things done in a hurry. Okay, let's give this a try. See if it worked by trimming them down. I don't mind. The reason I trimmed it down is they're too long for my eyes and then go right into my corner, and I don't like that. Okay, well, that was easy. There it is. Just have to get it so that it, I'll put a little bit of mascara on my own lashes. But yeah, it's married right into that liner, you see that? So if I wouldn't have put that liner on quite so thick, and yeah, I cut the wrong end of this one off. Well, that's a good thing. I got more to play with. But yeah, a lot of people think that you can't trim the magnetic ones down mainly because of the magnets. You just got to make sure that you're trimming right at the magnets. Yeah, I cut the wrong end off this one. So it looks kind of funny. They're quite easy to move around. See, that one came off just that easy, right? So what I'm going to do is take this little one from the other end here. We're going to piece it together is what we're going to do. And you could do that. Like, that one's on partial, and we'll just put this little one on there with it. Well, maybe not. Goes down too far. Yeah, I don't want it on there. Okay, so of course one's got nice oh, paper. Just took some paper away from my baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, put the rest of my makeup on, and I'll be right back. Well, here we go. That is my finished look. It's not the best I've ever done, but it will improve with a lot of practice. So how about we all practice together? Yeah, I just overlined, like I shouldn't have lined so far into the corners because I only used like 3/4 of the lash, right? But I think they look pretty good. I think they look kind of nice. Yeah, I think they look alright. This one's starting to fall off, though. I didn't get this one on there properly, I don't think. But I think with practice and not so much shaking, I might be able to get this so that I could give you a really good review in a couple of weeks. So I will keep at it, and I will keep trying, and I will make sure you know how I make out with them. All right, I don't think I have anything else to tell you. I will put the description down in the I will put this down in the description box and let you know. I will also put Think Media's information down in the description box, and then maybe you could go and take that challenge as well. So yeah, hashtag grow with video. That go there, or Think Media. You can still get in on the 1K challenge, I believe, because the lessons that we took, the challenges that we took, they're up until the 31st, so you'd have like 3 days to do it. We did it in 5, so maybe you could do it in 3. But yeah, go check it out, or at least check out some of Think Media out, because boy, do you ever learn a lot, and their motivational speakers are so awesome. I am really glad I took the time this week and put it into myself so that I can learn to give you folks better content, so that you'll be able to enjoy the channel more and learn more from me. If there's anything that you want me to do for content, please let me know, because I'm 66 years old, and I know it's not easy for us ladies sometimes, or gentlemen. If you want to do an open talk and we can all just have a visit sometime, let me know. We'll do a live. All right. Well, God bless, and have a great evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time you're watching this, and have a great day. Ciao for now.